In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Excalidraw files. We'll cover two clean ways to get your work off the canvas: exporting an image for quick sharing and saving an editable file you can come back to later. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to choose and how to configure it for the best results. First, open your browser and go to excalidraw.com. Open your drawing so it's visible on the canvas. To export an image, look to the very top left corner and click the menu icon with three horizontal lines. From that menu, choose Export Image. You'll see options for PNG and SVG. PNG is great for general sharing, pasting into slides, or adding to documents. It's a standard image format that works almost everywhere. SVG is a vector format, which means it stays crisp at any size. If you plan to scale your drawing up or embed it where high quality matters, SVG is the better pick. Before you save, adjust the export settings. You can choose a transparent background if you want your drawing to sit cleanly over a colored slide or web page, or keep a colored background if you prefer a solid canvas behind your sketch. You can also change the scale. Increasing the scale makes the exported image larger and sharper, which is helpful for printing or for detailed presentations. Take a moment to preview your choices, then click Save to download the image. Your browser will place the file in its usual download location, ready to drop into emails, documents, or slides. Image exports are also perfect if you plan to convert the result to a PDF later using your preferred tools. Now, if you want to keep your work editable for future changes, you'll want the native Excalidraw format. Open that same top left menu and choose Save to or select Export.Excalidraw file, depending on what you see. This saves a .excalidraw file, which is a JSON-based format that stores all your elements, positions, colors, and other state. Think of it as your project file. You won't typically open it in other apps, but you can bring it right back into Excalidraw to continue editing exactly where you left off. Keep this file somewhere safe so you can revisit and update your diagram without rebuilding it from scratch. That's it. Use PNG or SVG when you need a shareable image, and save the .excalidraw file when you need a fully editable version for later. Thanks for watching and happy sketching.